calibrate a Windows screen using the calibration tool included in the Windows operating system, open the Windows Start menu or click on the search bar and type Calibrate Display Color. You should see this shortcut. Open it and you'll get to this window. Click Next on this screen and on the next screen to get the gamma adjustment. While not as common as color inaccuracy, gamma often does need to be recalibrated on a display out of the box, and it can be difficult to achieve perfect gamma. There are many displays where you'll not be able to accomplish a picture exactly like the middle square shown here, and instead you'll have to accept what is closest to it according to your own perception. Gamma calibration is used to make sure the transition or gradient from white to black is completely smooth for any colours or shades of grayscale in the visual spectrum. Sometimes midtones can appear too dark or too bright. Calibrating your display's gamma will ensure your contrasts are consistent and accurate. Continue clicking through the steps. The next screen refers to brightness. However, brightness can mean different things among different displays. In some cases, brightness may be referring mostly to contrast. In others, it refers to the backlight luminosity of the display, as in how dim or bright the lights in the screens are. For this setting, you'll need to access the buttons on your monitor, or, if you're on a laptop or mobile device, your system settings or keyboard buttons to adjust the brightness in your display. In laptops, this setting is typically addressable by a key in the keyboard, and in monitors it can be accessed by the monitor menu with a button on the monitor itself. In a television there is a button on the remote or on the TV itself that will allow you to access the settings and adjust this. This button normally looks like a gear. Brightness buttons on a keyboard usually look like a sun and may have a plus or a minus next to them. Continue through to the next screen addressing contrast. This screen is very similar to the previous addressing brightness. The following step is most important: color balance. You may not realize your screen needs to be calibrated until you try the color balance tool. Follow the instructions and your screen will likely look brand new, and its colors will display to you as they were originally intended. After running through the steps, the calibration software will ask you if you would like to adjust the way text appears on your screen to help make it more readable. It's up to you whether or not you'd like to do this as well, but it isn't always necessary, and the results aren't always noticeable. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please support the channel by reading the pocketbook it's based on, Colour and Technology, the Beginner's Guide. Check out the description for more information.